Yo guys, this is Mozen Lens. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a different style of text. So now I just made this custom background, so you just need to put a gradient on it. So first what you're going to need is just go to photo library and just import your very own custom text. So I will just use this S letter, so just like that. And now what you're going to need is just um, go to select pixels, and then make just click this plus button and click like empty layer, and then go to end sign, go to gradient. So just make this gradient color, so it's like this, so it's dark purple in here, and in here is a light purple. So let's just like customize it, so just like that. Then click the check mark button, and now what we're going to need is just go to the layer of the first custom text that we made, and then just delete that, so because we don't need it. So now what we are going to need is just make a empty layer, go to ensign and fill and stroke and make it like white. And then what we're going to need is just go on the layer of the text, go in here and then select pixels, and then go to the layer of the white that we made, and then go and cut it just like that. And then go to FX Gaussian blur, make it like something like 20, just like that. Click the check mark button, go to the layer of the text, select pixels, and then go to the layer of the white background that we made, and then go and extract it. So we have something like that. And now what you're going to need is just go in here, blend mode, put it into overlay, and then duplicate it just like that, so it's already two layer of the inner shadow. And then go and merge it down just like that. And now what we're going to need, guys, to delete the white things in here, what we are going to need what we're going to need is just make sure you are in the layer of the text, go in here, select pixels, go again, and then go to transform, expand, go and make it -1, and click the check mark button. And then what we're going to need is just extract it, so it's like that. So now, guys, what we are going to need is just add something like draw lines in here. So now what we're going to need is just go on the layers button, click the check mark, and then empty layer, and the empty layer that we made, put it below under the text layer, and then go in here and then go to the paint tool, make the color like the light purple just like that. Go to the brush, make the brush something like 15, the hardness is 58, and the flow is 58, or maybe just like 50. So you can use the settings, so it's like that. And then what we're going to need is just draw some random lines in here. Oops, wait guys, we will make the flow into like 60, just like that. Let's try it. Yes guys, it's 60, so just try to make like something like random lines like this. So guys, it's like this. So I just make some random lines, I just draw a random lines. So the next step is just go to the layers button, and the layer of the draw lines that we made, put it below the text, so it's like that. So what we are going to do now is just make it into like linear dodge, go to the FX, stylize glass, and then something like make it the amount into 55, then the scale is 1.55 or 1 point, let me see guys. So just make the amount like 1.10, 1.1, just like that. So it's like fire things like that. So now what you're going to need is just go to the photo library and just download a random fire things on Google. So like these things, guys. So I will just go and add them, and then just make it into screen, the blend mode, and then duplicate and then merge it down just like that. So just put some random flames into like that, and I will be back. So as you can see, guys, I just put some random flames in here, and I just make your own style. And then now what you're going to do is just duplicate the draw lines that we make, just duplicate it. And then now what you're going to need is just go to the FX button, directional blur, and then make the size into 20, just like that. Click the check mark button, go to FX again, and then make the direction into like 180 degrees, just like that. And then go and duplicate the text that we made, the draw lines that we make, and then just duplicate that. Go to FX button, directional blur, and then put the direction like something like this, 270 degrees. So just like that, and then just go and hold the layer of the draw lines that we made that don't have blur, put that below all of the blur that we made. So something like that, guys. So maybe, or just like put it under like that, and then merge the two text that has a blur. Go to eraser, let's just erase it, just put the size like that. Let's try it, guys. So I think it's better. Let's undo. Let's make the opacity down, or hardness. So yeah, guys, something like that. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you, and click that like button and subscribe button for me, and see you in the next video.